In this video, I plan to show you how to properly enter a trouble ticket into the new service desk system. So, the first thing you do is navigate to the service desk login. You're going to log in using your login credentials. So in this particular case, it's going to be your network ID followed by whatever your network password is. If your network password changes, your password here would change as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click login, and it logs me in to the end user portal. This is typically the screen that teachers would see when they log in to report a trouble ticket. Any of their recently completed activities, any trouble tickets that the teacher has entered will show up right here on the right hand side. And if they have a current open ticket, it'll show up underneath my current activity. If they would like to report an issue, all they have to do is simply click on this icon right here that says report an issue. That'll load a window that looks very similar to this one right here. You notice that it automatically pulls down their school, and there are only really 3 fields that a teacher has to enter information, that they are required to do so. And it's the I need assistance with, the summary, and the details. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in I need assistance with, and you'll notice it's a drop-down menu. There's only certain things that a teacher can select. A lot of times teachers have problems figuring out where they should select the issues. You as a TRT will have to come back in and modify them to possibly get them routed to the correct people. Most of the stuff that teachers are going to do are going to fall underneath software. So we're going to go ahead and click software. And we're going to put in a summary of what our actual issue is. So in this particular case, we're going to have a problem where some vision courses are not showing with us. So I simply just type in vision courses are missing. And right here under the details, we want to be as descriptive as possible, because typically what ends up happening, if somebody just types in there, vision's not working, there's a back and forth of, well, what's not working? Well, a student couldn't log in. The more information that you provide at the beginning, the quicker that the trouble ticket is going to be resolved. So what I'm going to do is type in a description here, and you'll notice that when I type in this description, it gives a detailed account of what's happening. When they're logging into Vision, they don't see any of the courses that they need to have access to. In specific, this course right here, so that the TRT knows exactly which course that you want to have access to. The more details you add, the better off that you can be. The other things you may want to add is the computer. If you actually just start typing, this particular school is HRM, you'll notice that all of the schools at Harmony Middle automatically pop up. So you can just select the school and then, or start typing in the school, and you automatically get all the computers that are at that school. You may also want to provide the room number. It's helpful if it is only happening on one particular computer in one room. Again, the more information that you provide, the better. So now I've filled out this trouble ticket. All I have to do is hit save and close. And now there's an incident number that's been created, and I click continue. And now you'll notice that I have my resolved trouble tickets here, and then my most current one is right here. What has now happened is that this trouble ticket has been sent to your school-based support, typically your TRT, your librarian, the TA librarian, and the TA TRT. And they will work on the trouble ticket.